Hello everyone, this is ARYAN, your coach and mentor, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Where in this video today I haven't come to teach anything to you all, rather, I have just come to have a word with my audience. As you can see, it's written on the board, honest confession. So, what happened this evening was that I was going through this one of the YouTube videos of an ex teacher. Okay, I won't say the name of that teacher. And that poor fellow was trying to teach English. And I just decided to open the comment section to see, like, what is the feedback or what is the take on the students about this particular teacher's teaching skills. So I saw some pathetic, downright pathetic, derogatory comment which was bombarded on this person's YouTube channel. Although the person is trying to put in his best efforts with whatever knowledge he possesses, still kids are making fun of that particular teacher, trying to outsmart by saying that you don't know how to teach, इससे अच्छा तो मैं पढ़ा लूंगा. So I have just come to ask one thing. अगर आप इतने ही अच्छे हैं पढ़ाने में या इससे अच्छा आप ही पढ़ा लेंगे, then why are you going and searching out for any video of any teacher for the last minute help? If you are so good at whatever you can do, why do you need somebody's help? I don't understand what is the problem with this current young minds and generation where they feel that just by sitting from their home, just by sitting and relaxing on their couches and with an anonymous picture put on their profile and with some awkward and weird name, they have the full liberty and right to post and write whatever they feel like. Do you even know how that one negative comment or one hate comment of yours can mentally affect a person's life? It can shake the person's entire morale and collapse that person's confidence. And I have also experienced the same thing, although I'm very new to this YouTube ecosystem. It has just been, I think, couple of months. Last year in the month of February, I started with my YouTube channel, and that too with my offline students pushing me to the edge that with the kind of quality and knowledge that you bring and impart to us, I think that should go pan India, bhaiya, and you should start giving this knowledge of yours to everyone who do not have access to quality content. Although I'm talking about that ex person, I don't know what action that ex person would have taken, but I have often faced this, that be it me, be it Sudhir sir, or be it any other YouTuber, kids, they just comment whatever they feel like. I want to ask you all, who gives you the audacity and the permission to write whatever you all feel like about a teacher? If you don't like any teacher's particular teaching style, there is an unsubscribe button on your mobile phone. You can always unsubscribe and quit watching that person's YouTube channel rather than just going and trying to troll that person and shake the person's morale who is just making an effort so that you can score at least 5%, 10%, 15%, or 20% better in your examination. What costs you to be a little grateful and thankful to a person who is trying to coach you, taking out time and efforts to create a content, wondering or thinking that it might help you in some way or the other? Why can't we be a little modest, a little more appreciative, and little more humble? That is my question. Even I have faced the same thing, where kids I have seen, they try to pick out my mistakes, the place where I would have gone wrong. Maybe it could be a spelling error, or it could be me fumbling while teaching on YouTube. Do you know how much efforts and confidence is required while creating and curating a particular YouTube video? Have you ever been in front of a camera? Apart from taking your side profile pictures, I don't think so y'all have ever even, had the guts to come in front of camera, face it, and speak confidently. I can bet on that. And by the way, I want to tell you, I'm well aware of the places where I go wrong. I'm very well aware of that. Before I post any video, I have this habit of first reviewing my own video, checking out the points, places where I did go wrong, be it regarding spelling, be it regarding, using incorrect grammar or pronunciation, or it could be anything. I do check it, but then once I have shot a particular video, I don't feel the zeal to redo it again, because the time available is very less before the board examination. And if I keep reshooting, trying to perfect my every little mistake that I'm making while teaching, I think the syllabus will never get over, or it will never get finished. So rather than just picking out somebody's negative, pinpointing that this is where you went wrong, it could have been better, you can make it sound more humble by, sir, I think this was incorrect on your part. Maybe, you know, you could rectify it, or at least you can clarify my doubt. We all are human beings. And being human beings, we have the tendency to make mistakes. And that is absolutely okay. We are not artificial intelligent. We are not granted, yeah, we have not been granted with superpowers by God. And I am very well aware of my vocabulary, of my knowledge. I might make mistakes while teaching, because I'll tell you the reason. Because the time frame that is available, or that is given to us at the back of my head, it always goes on. Or it could be with any YouTuber, that we have to finish that particular portion in that limited time span, because it is our lovely audience whose retention power is almost reduced to zero. If I were to make a video of 50 minutes right now, or 60 minutes right now, where I can be more comfortable while explaining something in great detail, will you devote your 50 or 60 minutes to that video? The clear answer is no. Reason one is limited time for the preparation of boards. Reason two, the biggest problem is that zero retention power. Y'all want everything to be spoon feeded y'all in just 2 to 3 minutes, which is not possible for a human being. Then how can you just blatantly go on anybody's YouTube channel and just speak anything that you feel like, not even considering for once that how is it going to mentally affect that person? It could be me, it could be any teacher on the YouTube who is trying to put in that efforts to teach you. Coming from English medium school, from elite educational institutions, this is the kind of education that has been imparted to you all. This is what my question is. This is how you behave. This is how will you speak with your parents. I won't be surprised if you do speak with your parents like that, because I often get to see a lot of kids, in an attempt to act a little more superior, And in an attempt to act over smart, they just howl at their parents or their teachers or their elders or be it anyone. Keeping your point is right, but it also matters how you keep a point. Just because you have the leverage of sitting on your couch, just putting on some anonymous picture and a name all together, and you can comment whatever you feel like, that is not how life goes, bro. And I'm not going to give you a lecture on karma, this and that. वो तो आपका हिस्सा का है, आपको जो पड़ेगा जीवन में, you just step into the world, you'll realize what actual world is about. If it were not for your parents' money, you wouldn't be studying in such elite institution and wouldn't have inculcated this kind of behavior and this kind of language which you use in somebody's YouTube channel. So just stop doing all this. That is all I want. Understand that human beings are bound to make mistakes, and that is okay. Nobody is perfect. Had you yourself been perfect, maybe you would be standing here and catering to masses and not just sitting in your pajamas on the couch and commenting anything that you feel like. So that's all. You'll get to see me teach in my next video. I just felt like coming and speaking out, speaking my heart out, because I barely see anyone doing it. So if you like my content or if you like anybody else's content, support it. If you don't like, just drop it. Don't watch it. There are plenty of fishes in the sea. You can always go and watch out anybody else's channel. So next time when you comment anything negative about anyone, be it me, be it Sudhir sir, be it any other teacher on the YouTube, पहले अपने खुद के गिरबान में झांकिए, भैया आपको कितना आता है? अगर आपको सब कुछ आता होता तो आप शायद हमारे YouTube चैनल को देख के लास्ट मोमेंट में पढ़ाई कर ही नहीं रहे होते। मदद भी आपको हमारे चैनल से लेनी है, गालियां भी आपको हम ही को देनी है कि आपने ऐसा क्यों पढ़ाया, आपने ऐसा किया तो बोल के ऐसा हो गया। भाई हर चीज का दोष हम लोग सहेंगे क्या? हमारे पास और भी काम है। And as far as my mistakes are concerned when I'm teaching, I challenge you. You come when I teach in my offline batch where I'm not surrounded by camera, when I'm more free, and when I don't have the limited time available to teach, when I'm not bound by time, then you get to see me teach. You'll understand who is real me. I can teach far better than what I'm teaching on YouTube. I get a little conscious when the camera is on. I get a little apprehensive at the same time when the time is less, because at the back of my head it goes on that I have to finish this video within the range of 10 minutes, 12 minutes, because that is what my pretty audience's retention and attention time span is. They cannot pay attention more than 5 minutes or 6 minutes to a particular video. So you come, you study from me in offline, then you'll understand where you stand in life. Take care. So I'll take your leave with this. I'm sorry, I'm not going to make any more videos like that. I think I'm better off teaching. If you like my content, support it. If you don't, you are more than welcome to just go and unsubscribe. It hardly matters. Life is big, things go on. If I will have to have success, I will. Your comment will hardly matter to me or to anyone. And if we are not destined, then maybe we will not achieve that great heights, or maybe God will want us to improve somewhere. Post that, we will gain what we deserve. So that's absolutely okay. Thank you so much.